Imagine, for a moment, a piece of technology that doesn't just promise to be great, but fundamentally redefines what greatness means. We're not talking about an incremental upgrade. We're talking about a quantum leap, a machine engineer for those who view limitations as merely a suggestion, demanding unmatched speed, raw power, and absolute perfection in their daily lives. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the incredible ROG Raikiri Pro, a true marvel of technological ingenuity, where meticulous design meets sheer computational dominance, leaving a trail of utterly captivated enthusiasts worldwide. $/text subscribe for more informative videos, as I work hard to gather useful information for you. In return, you just hit the bell icon button to join our community of tech pioneers. From the very first moment your eyes land on this device, you instinctively know it's in a different league. It possesses a silent, almost palpable aura, a promise whisper in its sharp lines, an aggressive yet elegant form factor, confirming that this is far from just another piece of hardware. It's a statement, with every curve, every precise cut, and every minute detail designed with a singular, dominating purpose in mind, to excel beyond any reasonable expectation. But the sheer visual impact, as stunning as it is merely the surface of the story, because beneath that gorgeous, commanding exterior lies a heart that beats with an absolutely unrelenting intensity, powered by the most cutting-edge processors available. The Raikiri Pro doesn't just perform tasks, it fundamentally obliterates the competition, making complex multitasking feel effortless, allowing demanding applications to practically glide, and delivering every single frame of every game with a breathtaking, unmatched precision that has to be experienced to be believed. And then there's the display. Oh, the display, a vibrant, incredibly fluid, and deeply immersive window that pulls you completely into whatever world you choose to explore, making colors pop with almost unreal intensity and motion feel like liquid silk, ensuring that whether you are deep in a game, streaming high-fidelity content, or crafting your next masterpiece, lag and stutter become words utterly removed from your vocabulary. Now, picture that immense power perfectly cradled in your hands, the refined ergonomics allowing for extended sessions that aren't merely tolerable, but genuinely exhilarating, where every physical interaction, from the feel of the buttons to the responsiveness of the surface, feels deliberate, intuitive, almost as if the Raikiri Pro can preempt your next move. And to complement this tactile supremacy, we have the audio, a deal sound experience that doesn't just accompany your actions, but defines them, delivering deep, resonant, and rich tones that make in-game explosions thunder deep within your chest, music resonate with the clarity of a live concert, and dialogue so crisp you catch the subtlest whisper, elevating this from mere sound to pure, unadulterated emotion delivered through groundbreaking technology. What truly separates the Raikiri Pro from the pack isn't just its raw benchmarks or its stunning visuals, however. It's a profound feeling of control, mastery, and unbridled supremacy it grants you, a powerful thrill that courses through your veins when you realize that no task, no challenge, and indeed, no competitor can hold a candle to the digital dominion you now wield. Let's pause to genuinely appreciate the relentless innovation poured into its creation, where every circuit and chip is a testament to meticulous engineering, especially its thermal management system, which is nothing short of a marvel, allowing the device to remain cool and maintain absolute peak performance even when subjected to the most intense workloads imaginable. You simply have never experienced power this immense that remains so flawlessly efficient. Connectivity, too, has been completely redefined, featuring lightning-fast connections, virtually non-existent latency, and seamless integration that transforms this machine into the central hub for your entire digital life, ensuring you are always one step ahead, fully connected, and absolutely unstoppable by traditional boundaries. And for those who demand absolute control, the level of customization is a veritable playground, allowing you to tweak, adjust, and optimize every minute aspect to perfectly match your desire, making personalization not a luxury, but a core standard, transforming the Raikiri Pro from a cold machine into a natural extension of your own will. Built into its very DNA are top-tier security and advanced intelligence, safeguarding your data, your work, and your creative legacy with comprehensive protection, while sophisticated AI optimization subtly learns your habits, intelligently anticipates your needs, and dynamically delivers peak performance in a way that feels almost human. Truly, every time you engage with the Raikiri Pro, You are reminded that this is so much more than technology. It is an experience, the kind of device that makes you pause in admiration, leading you to wonder why any other kind of machine was ever necessary. Because once you felt this level of capability, settling for anything less becomes utterly unthinkable. Gamers, creators, and boundary-pushing innovators all agree on one truth. The Raikiri Pro doesn't just keep pace with the future, actively defines it, boldly challenging conventional wisdom, redefining industry standards, and elevating expectations to previously unimaginable heights. Now, dare to imagine pushing it to its absolute limits, be it a non-stop, full-load gaming marathon, a brutally intensive rendering session, or multitasking at a breakneck pace that would instantly cripple ordinary hardware. The Raikiri Pro simply doesn't flinch, doesn't stutter, and certainly doesn't slow down. It thrives under pressure, and you, its user, feel invincible, untouchable, and supremely confident in its power. There is an undeniable sense of pride in using this device, a badge of honor that broadcasts your refusal to settle and your unwavering demand for excellence. And with the Raikiri Pro, that excellence is not merely optional. It is a guarantee, because the ultimate appeal goes far beyond simple numbers and benchmarks. It's about the emotional connection, the feeling of absolute power in your hands, the confidence in your mind, and the pure thrill coursing through your heart, making every interaction effortless and every challenge a clear opportunity for total domination. Some might call this level of performance overkill. Others might label it revolutionary. But for you, the master, you will simply call a home. Because once you have experienced the ROG Raikiri Pro, the ordinary machines and commonplace experiences fade into utter irrelevance, leaving only you, your Raikiri Pro, and a world that now exists simply to bend to your will. Every single aspect of this device, from its lightning-fast internal components and mesmerizing visuals to its sublime audio and incredibly intuitive control, has been expertly crafted to captivate, impress, and absolutely astonish. This is not just a device. It is a genuine declaration of dominance. So, if you're truly ready to step into tomorrow, to embrace a level of power you've never known, and to experience technology in its purest, most exhilarating form, the Raikiri Pro is waiting, and the moment you take it in your hands, a profound realization will hit you. This is not merely a machine. This is a true revolution, and you are standing proudly at the absolute forefront. It is time to stop dreaming and start experiencing, to stop imagining and start dominating, and to stop wondering and start truly feeling what real performance, real design, and real master are all about. The ROG Raikiri Pro isn't just ahead of the curve. It fundamentally defines it, and now, it's definitively your turn to be unstoppable. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.